Recalling the contribution of the non-violent fighters, the United Democratic Party on Monday felicitated over 55 volunteers. Though the party received a total of more than 300 applications, but the party has decided to facilitate 200 plus volunteers who are really dedicated to the party. Speaking to the media, Paul Lyngdoh, working president of UDP, said that this program was organized to facilitate those party workers who have fought for the Hill State movement for a separate state. UDP President Medba Lyngdoh handed over a memento, shawl and a cash award of Rs 5,000 to the volunteers.
Well, this program was organized to felicitate volunteers who fought for our separate state. Most of them, fortunately, are still around, and today we could felicitate around 50 to 55 of them. The rest who could not attend today's program will be felicitated by the party in due course.